Today we're going to talk about SQL injection, which is placing strings or malicious code into an input field on a form, on a website, or in a program to return information. For instance, if there's not input validation, they could create queries to return information and get into the database system, search around, look in there, find account information, log on information, and through that whole process, they could actually create a user account with escalated privileges. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to recon the system to find a entry point. After recon, we found that on port 3306, MySQL was running. So we start our service and then we start our Metasploit console. And once we do this, we use the auxiliary scanner for MySQL login. It's a utility tool, and look at some info and make sure that we configure all the blank passwords, username, the R host, the pass file we're going to use, and we go ahead and utilize all that. And so we run the program, and we have a connection there, and so we're able to log in. And once we're logged in, we're able to search some queries and find out which databases are in there, and then look at some tables and find out all this information. Do just recon through the whole entire database and start looking through all the tables, and we're looking for users, and we find some user information in the tables. Once we find that, we're looking for just credit card information or any information that can be exploited. And once we do that, then we could actually go in and we create a user hacker, and we're able to log in as this elevated user that we've created. And so that's the dangers of SQL injection, and that's why it's important to have input validation. An example of input validation would be whitelisting input, which is the exact type of input that you would expect, or blacklisting input, which is input that you would not allow at all. So thank you for tuning in. I try to keep these nice and short, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.